I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP22 Word Chapter 1 HOE Job. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. I can handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm and final exam. Please add me for your other courses like economics, Java, accounting, MyLab math, MyLab English and many more online courses, and please for writing. Okay, you can see. First we will see the title of assignment, XP22 Word Chapter 1 HOE Job. You can see first title of assignment. Here is title of assignment, and then we will see project description. Okay, here is project description to get idea about your project. Then question number 1 is let's start. What, download and open the file name. XP22 Word Chapter 1 HOE Job. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, I am gonna show my file. You can see this my file that's I have downloaded from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now moving on question number 2. I have done this question, and moving on question number 2, we will see this question number 2. Displaying non-printing characters can assist with troubleshooting a document letter. For example, leaving too many spaces between words result in a grammatical mistake. When the problem is simply the number of spaces, by showing non-printing characters you can easily see the spaces and correct the mistakes. Okay, display non-printing characters. Click or position the insertion point before the page break indicator at the bottom of page 1. Insert text from letter documents. Okay, you can see we will display non-printing character first. We will go to the paragraph group in the home tab, and we will simply click on non-printing characters, and then click or position the insertion point before the page break indicator at the bottom of page 1. Okay, click or insertion point, okay, bottom of page 1. Insert text from letter. Now we will insert text from letter. Okay, simply go to the insert tab. In the text group we will simply click text from file. Okay, text from file, and then we will go to the folder where you saved this file. Simply we will select file in here and then insert this file. Okay, XP22 Word, okay, sorry, letter. Okay, Word from letter. We will select this file letters and then simply click on insert. Okay, this file will be inserted. This question is done now. Now we will move on question number 3. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Okay, question is that click or position the insertion point after the words customer support near the middle of page 1 and press enter. Tap online troubleshooting and press enter. Tap technical support but do not press enter. Okay, First we will click or position the insertion point after the word customer support, okay, near the middle of page 1, and then press enter. Okay, after the word customer support. Okay, where is customer support? After the word customer support. Okay, click or insertion point, click or position the insertion point. Okay, and then press enter, then tap online troubleshooting, press enter, and then we will tap online troubleshooting. We will copy this and paste here, or we will tap simply here. Okay, online troubleshooting. Okay, this is good now. Then we will tap technical support, but do not press enter. We will tap technical support, and here we will simply copy and paste here technical support, but do not press enter. Technical support, but do not press enter. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on to next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on to question number 4. In question number 4, replace every occurrence of the word website with website. Website with website. 3 items should be replaced. Okay, we will replace every occurrences of words. We will go to the home tab. Simply go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on replace. Okay, in the editing group, click on replace. Replace is website, web dash site, and then we will replace with website, and then simply click on replace all. Okay, you can see all done. We made 3 replacements. Simply click on OK. Okay, this is good now, so and close it. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 5, find the word opportunity. Change the second occurrence of the word opportunity to pleasure. Okay, find the word opportunity. We will copy this, and then we will find this word opportunity first. We will go to the editing group, and then simply click on find. In the navigation pane, we will paste here, and then we will find this opportunity word. You can see here is opportunity, and then we will close this. Okay, zoom in, and then we will see this word opportunity. Then change the second occurrences of the word opportunity to pleasure. We will remove this, and then we will change the second word to pleasures. Okay, opportunity to pleasure. We will simply copy and paste here. We will remove opportunity, and then we will paste here pleasure, or we will tap here pleasure. Okay, this question is done now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. You can see question number 6. Check the document for spelling and grammatical error. No names are misspelled, so ignore any such errors. Correct any misspelled words and address. Okay, the grammatical error by changing receive to receiving. Ignore any other requirements concerned. Okay, first we will check the document for spelling and grammatical error. Okay, moving on Word file, and then simply click on review tab and go to the spelling and grammar. Okay, no name are misspelled, so ignore any such errors. Okay, you can see first simply we will go to the review tab. In the proofing group, simply click on spelling and grammar, and then we will proofing spelling. Okay, we will ignore all, and then simply click on receiving, and then simply click on OK. This is good now. Okay, now correct any misspelled words and address the grammatical error by changing receive to receiving. Okay, ignore any other retirement concern. You can see I have done this question. I have applied on my PC screen. You can see this, and please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. I have done this question. Now I am moving on. Next question is question number 7. Okay, use the thesaurus to identify a synonym for the word attention in the last sentence of the first body paragraph. Replace the word attention with consideration. Okay, we will read this question again. You can see use the thesaurus to identify a synonym for the word attention in the last sentence of first body paragraph. Replace the word attention with considerations. Okay, word attention. Use the thesaurus to identify a synonym of the word attention. Okay, simply click on home tab and then go to the find, and then in the navigation pane we will find this attention. We will find this word attention and then cross it, and then we will change this word attention to consideration. Okay, we will copy this, replace the word attention with consideration. We will copy this word and then we will replace this word. Go to the review tab and the thesaurus, and then we will, okay, you can see here, we will see here consideration. Okay, first we will search this word attention and then we will go to the review tab. Okay, in the thesaurus, okay, we will see this word consideration and then simply insert this word. Okay, this is good. Now this word will be replaced in here. Now we will move on. Next question is question number